firstly, I'm going to ask you, we really don't know what to call you, so if you guys could think of something that we can call you as followers, I don't know, let us know in the comments or send us a message. So tonight we have come to another abandoned nursing home actually. This one actually very much quite well intact, which is a surprise for us because normally everywhere we go is absolutely smash up.
Doesn't feel very nice though.
Well, yeah, Zara's getting pretty bad vibes from the place. We've already had a little look around. I did a little whistle before actually as well, and Phil's seen a did you say face?
Face in the top window, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll do a little bit of a walk around now and show you guys the place. Stinks. I think that's the mold.
Not very big rooms, guys. Not very big at all. We have a bit of an open space. You even got hangers in the wardrobe. Decent on street though.
So there's 4 rooms in this bit of all pretty much exactly the same. You'll see that just from that one there. They've all got different wallpaper and stuff like, but they're pretty much the same rooms.
I don't like storage or something.
Oh, this one's actually a storage room, so there's only 3 rooms down here. Sorry.
I do not like this place at all.
Do you not?
No.
So we've got a laundry room here, guys. So I don't think we're going to be doing any washing, but we'll take you around there anyway.
Everything's still intact, isn't it?
I'm pretty sure this place has only closed in the last few years.
About 4 years.
Yeah, it's got to be, hasn't it? I think it's still looking pretty good, Nick, don't we, to be fair?
Yeah. I think we just like get somewhere really, you know, we're in a place, you know, we're quite confident. We've shouted out a few times, guys, and
This is a big room, isn't it?
we haven't really had any replies.
This would be good to do a call out on this one.
I think we should head upstairs.
Pardon?
I think we should head upstairs.
I think so, yeah. Oh, I mean, we'll get round the bottom floor and then,
Yeah.
we'll get upstairs, yeah. This looks like it might have been some kind of communal room, I think.
Yeah.
Where you gather on the little chairs and play some chess and stuff, you know.
What about drafts?
Maybe drafts
Or checkers?
or checkers. I can't play any of them, so I don't know. What was through there?
It's just another door out.
Oh, just another door takes us to the same
Yeah,
place.
yeah, it takes us to the corridor.
Oh,
That's
seriously.
Yeah, man.
That's where we came in, guys.
Man, the bag. I haven't been this way.
No, we haven't been this way.
Hello?
It smells like the stairways there.
Wow.
Oh shit, okay.
So the yobs have been in, smashed another window, moved the board off.
Did you knock that wire? Does anyone knock
It's up, Jay.
It's like one of those little like pass-through windows.
Yeah.
Fucking pissed.
Yeah, that's why I was going to come up into the desert.
Oh, good job he didn't really, wasn't it? Look at the glass.
I know.
So I got your way now. Toilets.
Toilets.
Toilets. More toilets.
Do you know what? This place is an absolute maze, isn't it? Oh, maybe more bedrooms here.
Hello? Hello?
Bathroom. One there. Oh, the cold's it coming down here.
I know.
Yeah.
Ew, it smells like piss.
Does, doesn't it?
Has it got cotton in its floor? Oh,
It's really cold and really smelly down this end. Like piss. Excuse the language. Oh, it's not going to make any I think we'll probably avoid this place when this part of the building when we do some call-outs. Oh, Phil. Oh. Oh. What was that?
Is that your house?
Fucking hell. I can shoot this some out with that.
It's just a door. There's no way. There's no way.
It's not just that.
What's the wires?
Okay, let's get out of this bit.
It's awful. Look, just the setup is awful. The doors are horrible, aren't they?
Load of cobwebs as well. I've walked
Yeah, it's literally just as you said that made it
Mate,
open.
I feel it on my legs. Yes, guys, I do have shorts on. Yes, guys, it's 28 degrees outside. So,
You feel the difference from
yeah.
behind that door to here is unreal.
Which way are we going?
Right, guys, I'm just gonna
Yeah.
just stop recording a minute.
Expect them to go around that way.
They're carpet upstairs, but we can't put carpet in the bedrooms.
Reminds me of like an old. We used to go away to like the old military buildings and that.
Yeah.
Old barracks.
I'll leave it open like that, alright.
What's the door? What's the windows?
Right in front of you around there, we're taking pictures.
Virtually all the same, aren't they, to be honest?
Really good hotel out of this, isn't it?
Yeah. Feels like a doctor's.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, window.
These rooms are better this end. Feel
This
nice.
one smells clean.
It feels nice up this end, doesn't it?
So we call it like
Yep.
Actually feels like there's a radiator one in here.
Car.
It's really vibrating that, isn't it?
If if we are going to get any activity, I don't feel like it's going to be up this far.
I do.
Do you?
Yeah.
I think it feels dead safe up here.
No,
Feels
I do.
quite calm up here,
I do.
doesn't it?
Do you know why I think it feels safe?
Why?
Because of the rooms.
Maybe. Yeah. Move through there.
Yeah.
No, not even focus.
Why is it so light on this end as well? On this end?
There's a big window there.
Sure.
Yep.
Oh, mate, it just goes on and on and on. Oh, look at it.
Smell weed.
It does smell like weed, actually, yeah.
Hey, there's a grow up there.
Strong, that, isn't it? Oh shit! Turn around. I can't see anything. Still in insulation and piping.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bring us down.
That way.
No, can't see anything.
No.
Oh, there's a fucking. What's that band up there?
Where?
No, something like wrapped in black. It's like a fucking package or something. It brings us down.
So cool. Get lost in it.
Well, that's what we've got to be fucking careful of, isn't it? Oh, this one's a bit better, isn't it?
What's up?
It's just birds. Right, and
Oh, where did this come through there?
Took too long to do that, didn't it?
Say now, Phil.
Hello. Mate.
But the floor does not feel safe.
This room, apparently. This room is the notorious room.
What's that? What? What is that like in there then?
No.
Like something was dropped on the floor. Hello? Oh, floor's not very good in there. That doesn't feel it anyway.
Moving on these floors today.
So what we'll do is, should we get the, once we get the MF out, I'll do it. Maybe, actually, we can just do it on the phone for now, can't we?
I think we should do set up. I think we should. In the next place for now, we've looked around.
Yeah.
We've done a good. With everything on here.
Yeah,
I think we should start exploring. I think we should start calling out.
I think so.
Get some equipment out.
Yeah.
And see what we catch.
Do
Stay-
we leave a deadlands in here? With one of the EMFs? Do you not like me being in here with you?
Visitor.
Yes,
We are visitors, yeah. We've come here to visit you all. I got goosebumps.
It's just weird that every time we open eyes, it's at that window.
I'm shutting the door. You stay in this room. You stay in there.